Welcome to Picsart Flow. Today, we're exploring the e-commerce content flow template, your all-in-one solution for generating a full-scale marketing campaign from just a few assets. Let's dive in by selecting the template and giving our project a name. We're building a brand new campaign for the Mad Hatter Goose Cap. The heart of this flow starts at the Start Here frame. First, we'll swap out the placeholder logo for our specific brand asset. Then we'll upload our hero product image, in this case, our embroidered denim goose cap. With our assets in place, we'll use the pre-prompted text node to generate a detailed description. You don't need to edit the prompt, just click to generate. This prompt will be used by other nodes and frames across the project and is key to great results. As we zoom out, you can see the sheer scale of the campaign this template can help you build, from lifestyle to ads with text and clean product shots. Clicking Run on a frame allows the pre-prompted nodes to get to work, creating professional-grade visuals of our product. Let's zoom in on how the process is working for lifestyle ads. Here, the system prompt generates ideas. Those ideas are then turned into fully formed image prompts, and finally, top-quality imagery is generated. Now, sometimes there may be errors, but never fear. Simply click on the node and hit Generate to try again. Down in the Ads with Text frame, you can see the high-quality assets with clear on-brand typography. Even our logo has been accurately inserted. From here, we can generate simple animated ads in a few clicks too. Check them out. Check out these studio-quality product shots, which can be resized in moments, saving you time and money on expensive in-person photography studios. Finally, let's look at some real magic. Using our lifestyle imagery, we can generate an amazing, realistic video ad ready to add to our socials or paid media. In just a few minutes, you've moved from a single product photo to a comprehensive multi-channel campaign. Check it out on Picsart Flow today.